rainforest is in
North America.
The rainforest of Central America is in
Costa Rica.
The Amazon rainforest is in
Brazil.
And the Madagascar rainforest is in
Madagascar. Hello. Now that you know where the rainforests are, now you will learn about the main biomes of the world.
The main biomes of the world are aquatic, forest, rainforest, grassland, tundra and desert.
Personally, our favourite is
Tundra!
A fact about the biomes are the largest main biome is aquatic.
And grassland is mostly made up of a variety of nature with not much trees or plants.
Forests cover somewhat about 30% out of the land surface.
While tundra is the coldest biome out of all the main biomes.
Rainforests are hot all year round.
While the desert only covers 1/5 of the world.
Now that you know something about rainforests,
Bye! This is about the tropical rainforest. The forest floor is the first layer.
the understory is the second,
The canopy is the third.
and the fourth is the emergent.
You'll find out more later. Most seasonal tropical rainforests receive heavy rainfall all year long.
Tropical rainforests have been around for 100 million years.
An ecosystem that is warm and rainy all year, also known as a rainforest because of the large amount of rainfall each year. We all know the many features of the Amazon rainforest. Today we're going to tell you all about the different layers.
As we know, the emergent is the top layer in rainforest, so therefore it's the hottest layer yet.
Much of the rain in the canopy layer is stopped by the thick foliage. The understory is the second bottom layer, full of vines, dense vegetation, but not much light.
The forest floor, as we know, is the bottom layer, which means it's full of dead leaves, plants and insects.
Now we will tell you about the different animals.
The bird-eating tarantulas come out during rainy seasons and hunt their prey. There are multiple birds and animals above and below the emergent.
The canopy layer is teeming with life as it is rich with fruits and seeds. Animals such as insects, birds, monkeys, frogs and sloths are found there. The understory is known to be full of animals such as bats, monkeys, snakes, lizards, jaguars and frogs.
The forest floor has many species such as Colombian cut fungi, Goliath bird-eater, Hercules beetle, giant centipede, leafcutter ants, giant anteater, etc.
Did you know most rainforests are found in South America? Now you should know all about the layers of the rainforest. See you next time. Bye! Welcome to the LIPA Travel Agency.
Hi there, we're thinking of booking a holiday to the Amazon rainforest.
Why do you think we should go?
You should go to the amazing Amazon rainforest because
You'll catch a glimpse of the different species here.
that sounds great. But what's the weather like? At the Amazon, it's super humid and sticky.
The week you guys are going to be super sunny, but not too much to make you feel like you are burning alive.
Amazing. What animals are there? You see reptiles, mammals, birds, fish, and over 2 million insects.
Over half of the world's species live in the Amazon rainforest.
Amazing. Let's book it.
It would only cost £1,000 per person.
Only? Sorry, we can't afford that. But you see many more animals on the boat trip that you'll never see again, including the black caiman, which is only one in the world.
You should book now.
You're right. Can we have the tickets, please? Thank you.
Have a nice trip. But remember, stay 2 meters away from the other person and most importantly, have fun. But we have 5 big rules.
Do not listen to the rainforest.
Do not wander away.
Do not cut down any trees.
Do not pick at any plants.
And finally, do not jump in the river.
We won't. Thank you.
is a winding, circular or bending a river.
An oxbow lake is a lake which is formed in a horseshoe shape.
A levee is a raised bank alongside the river.
A floodplain is a really flat part along the course of a stream or a river, but is naturally subject to flooding.
Channel is a length of water that is usually a straight layer that goes into larger areas. Water usually connects to two larger seas.
The estuary is the part of the mouth of the river where the river's current meets the sea's tide.
A delta is a low-lying plain that is composed of stream-borne seedings opposed by a river at its mouth.
The mouth of a river is where the stream can enter the ocean.
So this is river formation in general. So this is a picture of bird's eye view of the Amazon River. So these are deltas around here. This is the main channel. Now this could possibly be a floodplain of some sort. And over here we have confluences being formed. This is an oxbow. And we have some river information over here. So here's the source of the river. It goes down, it meanders. Then at the bottom there is a mouth. And as we can see, there's deltas over here, which are shown on here.
Now, down here, however, this is specifically the Amazon River. I put in this box various different fishes, this strange fish like a knife fish here, that live in the dark depths, which can reach down to 93 meters. That here is a scene of what it will look like in the deep of the Amazon River. Obviously, it is completely dark. Now here's a lot of information on here about the Amazon River and the rainforest that surrounds it.
Every minute, an area the size of a football pitch is cut down. If this continues, there won't be a rainforest in the next 100 years.
There's an ozone layer that protects us from the UV ray. The UV rays form from the sun and can be obtained inside the Earth's ozone layer. There's carbon dioxide coming from the cut down trees and it's pulling the UV ray down, and it's burning most of our forests.
Did you know that products like pencils, paper, toilet paper and tables are made from wood and trees from the rainforests?
Did you know that the oxygen we breathe comes from trees in the rainforest? We won't have any if people keep cutting them down.
Deforestation is a big problem. In the next 100 years, there will be no more rainforests.
Trees contain carbon dioxide. If you cut them down, then it releases the carbon into the Earth's atmosphere.
The Amazon contains 20% of the Earth's oxygen.
80% of cancer-healing plants can only be found in the Amazon.
Here we have some tree parts that have been cut down, and this needs to stop because in the next 100 years there's not going to be many more. Save our rainforests.
Responsibility facts told in this video. Artistic license may have been used. For more information, see www.mclennanfilms.com.